Asaya babiem with this intellectual battles. Ye be dealing with intellectually. Pachawati ase ha. Em say Quran no wato challenge bi say se wonye buku a wo firi nyame a anase wonye buku a wo firi wono ala enka even the Quran no wagine hu tum say there are contradictions in it but enye match ade a wo se modi tum tirimo no yanom na mo se yanko school no ya ne yekenka ebrofo na with all due respect yete ase kakara yenhwe Quran sura 4 ayat number 82 na yenti asem bia wo kan wo na afie yemra ye contradictions ni so Quran Surah 4 ayat number 82 said the Quran is kan no wan kase contradiction ni mo there is odia me ba ma menja ni san famo sound 482 okay Quran Surah 4 ayat number 82 yenti said the Quran kan no we brofo enyame na me tworo ye menye printing press was say we Quran Surah 4 ayat number 82 was it then do they not reflect upon the Quran? If it had been from any other than Allah, they would have found within it much contradictions. The pachotie was it a book no se efri nyame bia enye Allah nche ya enke be hu contradictions bebre e wo Quran nim meaning say contradictions in ebi won bet enya match. This is simple English. Mrs. Subiem was say, do they not reflect upon the Quran? If it had been from any other than Allah, they would have found within it much contradictions. They would have found within it much contradictions. Se enye ala nche ne free na ye nyame fufuro bia enke be hunu contradictions bebre e wo Quran nim sa asem we ni bebre na abam no kire se contradictions no ebi wom but enoso Quran di ne mutum sa se wan kan match contradictions no ko kan say they would have found within contradictions there and na Quran ne pese ye kire say contradictions ni binim. But what they match contradictions abem ne there. Nature say contradiction can be found in Quran, but not that much. Maybe what you say. Now, and then there is this one story. Quran no narrating of 4 times in the Quran. Wakana empra hodwo mako 4 and 9. And a story bako and the Quran no narrating. Minim se abofo dodo sen ene ba anji Gabriel nchen se abofo no bofo ba ko ne ba anji Gabriel nchen dia ene ana bofo no se ala asoma ne no wode message ne ba oba na wodi agro okwan so enti obeba beduru komsheni ne nchen no na ni wure fi asem no na waka asem no foforo na okwa na ala asa asoma no se enti sa ne se ye abofo bebre ne ba komsheni Muhammad nchen dia enye na abofo no esum nyame biara osoma bofo biara wo nyame osoma no hwe enkomana meni ubedie no yiwasum neti ensem ni yie se wo ye kremoni a mepese mi a me de WhatsApp line to dwa frɛ na be ka kire me se asam no me kan me boa me pa chaw bebre mi wi a me de WhatsApp line be to dwa se me di to dwa na ye kremoni a brabe frɛ na ka kire me se asam no me kan me boa me say this is the biggest contradiction I me hunu no Quran mu me be kenkan na me bi a kire se wo se me boa ene na wababed Abubakar mate English ni dia minim say me struggle and sound maka because enya me kasa me pacha what ase enya me kasa enti say me struggle and sound maka kora na me mfa ho na emomo no ne ya hunu no wabuku no ya de ba abontere mombra na mo mekire me yentie mo sese mo buku no mo buku na nkasa wo making claim say wo free ono nyame a obo so ne asase ne dia ene nke ebe un contradiction bebrebe contradictions who come YouTuber my part 1 my part 2 my part 3 my part 4 kremoni bia no wa watimi disprove me say the way say isa ba be pi so now ya hwa asem bi am se ye nyina se wo ye kristoni o wo ye kremoni o ye nyina ye nim the story of Sodom and Gomorrah the story of Sodom and Gomorrah the na according to Bible no ansa na abofo ne ba besene na omako say Sodom and Gomorrah no omudi ka kosoa wo Abraham so me ba ta wate ase omudi kai ekosoa wo Abraham fie enti no omu free Abraham fie no ansa na omo to aso akọ Sodom and Gomorrah me pa cha story we say no from Abraham fie and ko Sodom and Gomorrah no Quran nso narrate the same story no that in the Quran a PM 4 continuously times 4 times the PM wo Quran ni mu dia me machia no 4 times the machia na machia ya no Quran no narrate the 4 times ne esunu bia ne ne woka esunu bia ne se the osika story no e ba ta what ya say enti me de sadia we be kire wo mo mu yie se de enkrabofo ne ka se according to Jeremiah what can he say atrofo pensere trofo amatro na dan atro no the same thing na me de Quran enso be kire wo say atrofo pensere trofo amakro an na dan atro ana say etro kom hyani trofo no amakro an na dan tro se enye atrofo pensere trofo ena ma Quran ne dan atro dia ene na kom hyani no wa ya trofo and some ya de manual won't ye na all kind of different times ana say bofo trofo no amakro an no adane atro tie ye started ye di ka hwa ba ko Quran sura 11 ayat number 69 to 83 tie ye Quran sura 11 ayat number 69 to 83 what do you say? Meboa twen na obetene ne. Quran Surah 11. Quran Surah 11 ayat number 69 to 83. Yentie 69 to 83. Enye me start at the amount. Quran Surah 11 ayat number 69 to 83. Making kai was say, and certainly did our messengers come to Abraham with good tidings. They said, peace. He said, peace, and did not delay in bringing them a roasted calf. I said, Quran Surah 11, ayat number 69, say, Nyankopon abofo no, omoba Adam fie, na omoba Adam fie no, ena womuduru Adam fie pe en womochia ne se asumdue nka Adam ena Adam so Jesus se asumdue enka womo woka sa asamre pe wa ntwentwen so kora en wo sore ye en wo kofa enam a yaho ena wode bre wo me pacho tie story ni yo me se eye 4 times na pie wo Quran ni ma me mahunu na ebia wo se ne sika no na tie ni ye eye na one note point na me make ni dia ma me 69 say omoba ya no omo kire Abraham peace ena Abraham so Jesus peace wan twentwen so kora en wodi mirika kofa nam ayaho en wode bre abofo no 70 but when he saw their hands not reaching for it he distracted them and fled from them apprehension. They said, fear not, we have been sent to the people of Lot. And to akofa namane baya ode namane ma wo no wo hu se abofo no antene wo monsa anye namono enti ema ne yam ehhehye no mahu bi bo no ena abofo no ka kire ne se tobu ase ema ya nhhehyew enye wunti na ye bai na emomo no ya soma ye wo Lot nkofo share soma me se omo bai na edi nka omo chia peace ena Abraham Jesus peace immediately now sorry and wakofa nambere wo mo wade namne ba ye no wo manje nam no enu na de ehu ba Abraham mu ana Abraham ehu bo mo no abofo ni hu se hu abono no enu o mo se kwa akoma to yem enye wunti ni oba ye Yasoma ye wo up your friend say Lot ne nkofo nchen yento aso 71 his wife was standing, she smiled. His wife was standing, she smiled. Then we gave her good tidings of Isaac. After Isaac, Jacob. Enti abera abofo no ka kire Abraham said, "Ka wakoma to yam emehu mo, enye wunti na ye bai na emom yasoma ye wo." Your friend say Lot nkofo nchen no. Asem no abofo no kan ye no. Ema Abraham yere say ye Sarah o, say ye Hagar o, ye di enim say eye Sarah, enenyi say Isaac eni Jacob. Enti ema Sarah esre. Sarah sere ye no. Ena abofo no ehye ne bo say omo ehye ne nkom say wo bewu ba ye be frɛ ne Isaac nachi wo bewu Jacob. Enti eye Sarah esere ye ena ma sa nkom hye ne ye den eba ye ya make note ni nyina for mame ye 72. She said, "Where to me shall I give birth while I am an old woman, and this my husband is an old man? Indeed, this is an amazing thing." And Sarah say, "Hey, baby, I'm menyina droi. Ma ba berewa mi kunu so ya kokora. Eda ye de ye timi awoba and ye we de eye enedisem yenko." 73. They said, "Are you amazed at the decree of Allah? May the mercy of Allah and his blessings be upon you of the house. Indeed, he is praiseworthy and honorable." 74. And when the frat had left Abraham, and when the frat had left Abraham, and the good tidings had reached him, he began to argue with us concerning the people of Lot. Enti abera was share Sarah bo se obenyin say wabewu Isaac, after Isaac wabewu Jacob no. Sa samono eyi ehu no efri Abraham mu. Eye sa samono ena eyi ehu efri Abraham mu. Ena wo sha ase say wone wo mo agi achinie about the people of Lot. Yento aso 75. Indeed, Abraham was forbearing, grieving, and frequently returning to Allah. Enti ebasa no Abraham enya nuhu bi ema wo hyase se oko Allah anim na enka wo kosere bon fache e dia ma enkofo na ye kosei wo mo no yento aso. Then the angel said, "Oh Abraham, give up this plea. Indeed, the command of your Lord has come, and indeed there will reach them a punishment at that cannot be repaired." Okatre Abraham say, "No, Abraham, so watch out panim and how because yasuma yen say yemfa katua nkoma sankofo no enti akatua no eye de wo monsa beka enti Abraham wo ha wo kra na obọ mpan ya enya de se nyame betie wasuma yen say yenko ne yenko say wo mo eye soma ni nti ne ba ye." 77. And when our messengers, the angels, came to Lot, he was aghast from them and felt for them great discomfort and said, "This is a trial day." Enti abra abofo ni duru ho no Abraham egese ema ni hunu ye said there be nkofuku we die me hunu ba bi omu free ba na ne nkofo we ya ba fie ha de die abakrom ha no ene ye da eye ensohweda. Enti abra nkofo ni pie Lot fie no abra nkofo ni pie Lot fie no abofo ni pie Lot fie no Lot egesi ehunu se there be nkofo we die wo mo ye nkofo a wo mo firi nyankopon nchen na eba. Enti nkofo we abakrom ha na ne die ede ensohwe kase e na eba yenso yanto aso. 78. And his people came hastening to him, and before this they had been doing evil deeds. He said, "Oh my people, these are my daughters. They are purer of you. So fear Allah and do not disgrace me concerning my guests. There is not among you a man of reasoning." 79. They said, "You have already known that we have not concerning your daughters any claim. Indeed, you know what we want." Okay? He said, "If only I had against you some power or could take refuge in a strong support. 81. The angel said, "Oh Lord, indeed, we are messengers of Lord. Therefore, they will never reach you. So set out with your family during a portion of the night, and let not any among you look back, except your wife. Indeed, she will be struck by that which strikes them. Indeed, their appointment is for the morning. It's not the morning near." 72. So when our command came, we made the highest part of the city its lowest, and rained upon them stones of layer hard clay, which were marked from your Lord. And Allah's punishment is not from wrongdoers. We say in the Quran, a contradicted Bible no. Bible no can kai Genesis no. Genesis, I think Genesis chapter 18 no. Eye oja ena onyankopon tofiri soro. And what they be Sodom and Gomorrah. But according to Bible no, onyankopon to abo clay. Your friend say kira aye yabon kurukuru wasa abo. And then onyankopon toy and what they say Sodom and Gomorrah. And according to the Quran, eye onyankopon feja and say Sodom and Gomorrah. Nemo mono or the abo already abo from sky and what they say Sodom and Gomorrah. Okay, yaka first one abi. Yanko second one. Yanko tie second one. Me pacha memu na ho ma wo. Ne tie nsem ni yie. Abraham abofo ne baaye no. Wo hunu wo mo wo gesi ehunu se da bi. Enkofo yo mo be kroma de automatically. Eye ala na asoma wo mo entine eye da eye enso hweda edemaye. Eye ne kore enkofo ni nso gitum se ala na asoma wo mo. Me pacha what you say? Thank you. Yentoaso yanke another one Quran Surah 15 ayat number 51 to 75. The same story no yentie de nso kan. Quran Surah 15 ayat number 51 to 75. Okay, the same story no tie de nso kan. Was and inform them about the guest of Abraham. Me pacho enya no a enya de krona. And inform them about the guest of Abraham. Yantoaso 52. When they entered upon him and said, "Peace," Abraham said, "Indeed, we are fearful of you." Me pacho tieni Surah 11 ayat number 69 no. Abofo ni wure man wo mo chia Abraham peace. Ena wo no so Jesus peace. Immediately no ena wo kofa anama yaho ena wo de bre wo mo. Tie we say so e. Me pacho tie we say so tie we say so. Was say and inform them about the guest of Abraham. When they entered upon him and said, "Peace," Abraham said, "Indeed, we are fearful of you." Enti we say so kire say abra abofo no eba ya no omochia Abraham se asumdue nkan. Abraham se dabi yesuromo enti no enchia no ema ehu ebo Abraham tie ni ye enchia na dikai no amfa ehu amo Abraham na mom enchia ni mom ne hye ni nkunan ema ne sore kofa aduane bra abofo no. But this part 2 no kire say abra wo mo chia Abraham no ehu bo Abraham. Me pacha utie pa. This is the contradictions I'm talking about. The first one is say wo mo chia Abraham no ehu amo no wode asumdue gi wo mo so ema ne sori dimirika kofa anama yaho e de bre abofo no. The second one nso say there be omo ba no omo chia Abraham no ehu bo Abraham. Yantoaso e. Was it when they entered upon him and said, "Peace," Abraham said, "Indeed, we are fearful of you." The angel said, "Fear not, indeed, we gave you good tidings of a learned boy." Enti ehu no a ebo Abraham no ema abofo ne ka said there be Abraham emehu mo ye by said ye be hye wo nkom na ya ma oba banyin. First one no say enkom hye no e concern nchen First one is say enkom hye no e ko Sarah nkyai. Second one is say enkom hye no ye hye Abraham. Me pa cho fatu wadwene mu yo. First one is say Quran Surah 11 ayat number 69 to 83 no. Verse number 69 70 71 na kire say Abraham eyire ena ye hye ne bo. De ema hu bo Abraham na ya Abraham edi nam na ma wo mo na omanye no. Eno na di hu bo Abraham. Ema na yire Sarah kura asere. Ema asere na Sarah asere ye no. Omo ko hye Sarah nkom. Se obewu baba ma eya Isaac after Isaac no obewu Jacob. Ya ba patu no so a patu no so kire se wo mo betia Abraham no ena ehu bo Abraham. Ena om ka kire Abraham se emahu mo na emomo no ya ba se ya ba be hye wonkom na ya be hye wonkom obewu obaba ma obewu obaba nyini. Me pa cha wati ase enti ensuro satan no wanyanko fa aduane ne mayo. Me sitie ni ye meka ne makoma for na obehu differences no. Yanto aso 53. Then the angel said, "Fear not, indeed we gave you good tidings of a learned boy." Enti boshani call Abraham nchai anko Sarah nchai. First one is boshani call Sarah nchai. Nemom anko Abraham nchai. Second one is boshani call Abraham nchai anko Sarah nchai. First one is say eduane na wo mo nie no ena di hu bo Abraham. First one is say entia na wo mo chia Abraham no ena di hu bo Abraham. Yanto aso 54. He said, "Have you given me good tidings, although old age has come upon me? Then what of wonder do you inform me?" Ebacha what you say? Asem we first one no, eye Sarah na kan sa asem we nya Abraham. Second one nso eye Abraham na kan e. Yanto aso. They said, "We have given you good tidings in truth, so do not be of despairing." Okay. 56. He said, "And who despises of the mercy of his Lord, except for those astray?" 57. Abraham said, "Then what is your business here, oh messengers?" First one, Abraham musa omo di omo beye o. Ehu na bo Abraham no, ena ma omo ka kire nse, mema hu mo, ya ma wo nkyai. Ye ba sa ye ko Lot ne nkofo nkyai. Enti ma hu mo. Second one nso say, wo mo ba ya ehu bo no a, wo mo ka kire ne say, mema hu mo no. Mema hu mo no, wo mo ba se omo ba be hye ne nkom. Enkom hye ni mo no, eno na ma wo busa wo mo say, "Okay, ene ade na de mo ba ye." Se nyame nti na mo ba ya, ade na de mo ba ye. Okay. First one is so Abraham Musasa. Yanto 59. What say? They said, "Indeed, we have been sent to the people of criminals. Except the family of Lot, indeed, we will save them all. Except his wife, Allah decreed that she is those who remain behind." Yantuaso. And when the messengers came to family of Lot, he said, "Indeed, you are people unknown. You are people unknown. You are people unknown." Omutru Abraham Lot nche Lot ka chem say mo dia mo yankofo mi nim mukura o mu firi hene no. First one nso Abraham wo mu pie ye no Abraham hu wo mo e ma ne ka say enkofo ya apie ha ide enne die enso ho na eba ye so we say nso say Abraham mu duru wo no Abraham say dabi Lot say dabi mu dia ye nim mo e ba ta what ya say. First one Lot say enkofo ya ba ha ide enne die enso ho na eba ye so. Second one say Abraham mu pie ye no Lot say enkofo we die mu dia ye nim mo you taste yanto aso 62. He said, "Indeed, you are people unknown." They said, "But we have come to you with that about which they were disputing." Enti yabai ya de ade a moje hu ochinye no anase omoje hu ochinye no ene bae. Okay? "And we have come to you with truth, and indeed we are truthful. So set out with your family during the portion of the night and follow behind them, and let not any one among you look back, and continue on to where you are condemned." And we convened to him the decree of that matter, that those sinners will be eliminated by early morning. And the people of the city came rejoicing. Okay, Lord said, indeed, these are my guests, so do not shame me. Okay, dear can you know a assemble cope. And it say part one no can have different story can part two no so can dear yankotie part 3. The same story and na Allah edema komsheni no anasa wodema engine say o men narrating fantre enfamra no enfamra mechre komsheni Muhammad. First one ba ye no okay different thing. Second one ba ye no okay different thing. Yanko third one. And now see your Quran Surah 51 ayat number 24 to 37. Quran Surah 51 ayat number 24 to 37. Yentie no so de kan. First one can different thing. Second one can different thing. Third one so be can different thing. Tie. Se message we no eye free one God wa se free one angel wa atro 4 pence the trofo no ama Quran enso adan ya tro. We are telling you the fact. We are telling you the fact. Atro 4 pence the trofo no ama Quran enso so anu masem no dane and na there them much contradictions in the Quran ni won and na baby and come shane ko say da ho baby come shane ko your friend say Abraham won ho and na baby aduane omo ni na ma ehu bo Abraham baby enchia wo mo chia no na ma ehu bo no won madele ni nya duma yasibuku no kan Quran Surah 51 ayat number 24. Mamin ko bi wona men kenka ne so mo aneti ni wi a mebie line atum why ni wi a mebie line atum wo dia wo se dia me kan bebo a enti na ye no ya na ya dia ba ko ya na e ma ye no ya ji ehudie ni se ye kenka wi na se ye de line to a enkremofo ni ba comment mu o ma no be ye de sa ubie na de line tuma omomo bia ntime mefre emeka nkyere se krache dia wo kan wo boa wo beto start ya oma no tin yenko Quran Surah 51 24 to 37 was say 24 was say, has there reached you the story of 100 guests of Abraham? And yet the same story now. Have there reached you the story of the 100 guests of Abraham? When your story no 25 Jan to us, they entered upon him and said, we greet you with peace. He answered, upon you peace. You are people unknown. You are people unknown. First one we say so, ewo asam fofura akakora. Third one we so asam fofura akakora. Yanhwe first one no. First one no ba o chia peace. Ena Abraham so Jesus peace. Immediately no one was sorry and wakofa anama yaho and wo de bre wo mu. We say so second one they say omo ba wo chia peace. Peace na omo chia ye no ema ehu bo Abraham. Ema ehu ebo Abraham. And chiano ma ehu bo Abraham. Third one you say omo ba ya omo chia ye no Abraham je so and wo ka tell say mo dia mo yankofo wo me nim mo kora. Enti we say so kire say Abraham wo mo chia Abraham no enkomodie bi ko so ho. Ma wadene nya adwuma. Ya se Quran no ye bebie mo de akire mo wai. Mo nya ma adwene se mo besua ye be kire mo. Janto aso 26. Then he went to his family and came with a fat roasted calf. Enti wakati am say mo ya woho mo de menimu immediately no ene obowura na busuam obowura busuanim no wakofa anama yaho ene wode bere wo mu ibache what ase first one is when delay kura obo chia na woje so na one delay kura ene wakofa anam bere wo mu second one third one you say wo mo chia na woje so no wo delay ni wo mu di nkomo kakara ma o ka kira mo say da bi mu firi hene mo die mu ni mo ena wo busa wo mo sawie no ene wo koi and wakofa nam ewo wakofa nam fie no wode bere wo. Yento aso. 27. And placed it near them. He said, will you not eat? What did them be see woman ni mono? Ena ohwe woman wo muni wo busam se munni na wona na. First one e kan na mo asem no. Wan kase wo busa wo mo che wo mu bedi ana wo munni. Tie die. First one e kan na mo asem no. Wan kase wo busa wo mo so mu bedi ana so munni. Third one we no eno so kan na mo asem no. Wo se wo busa wo mo se ade na mo wo munni ana. Yento aswe. 28. He felt from them apprehension. They said, fear not, and give him good tidings of a learned boy. And he wabusa say, wamon we na mono. Ehu bi bo no. Ena wonya surobi. Ena wam ka chen se e ma ya won hyew. Ye ba ye no. Ye de nkom hye na ebere o. Enti said ye second one ne kan say, enkom hye ne ko Abraham nche no. Third one nso asisi say, enkom hye ne ko Abraham nkai. Na mom difference e wo mo no. Ene say second one ne say that's more. That's more. Ma okasa ngofo. Second one ne say the man who go Abraham no. The man who go second one no. Okay, second one no. Do meba. Mesa ko back na makohe. Third one he say aduane na wo mo nie no ena man who go Abraham ti said the first one ne kan ye no. Second one nso say ehu no ye nchia na wo mo chia Abraham no. Me pa ta wate ase. Okay. Ena bo hye nso ko Abraham wo said the second one ne kan ye no. But first one is bo hye ne ko Sarah nche. Yen to us verse number 30. And his wife approached with a cry of alarm and struck her face and said, I am a barren old woman. Me pacho tie, me says subiem. Was it? And his wife approached with a cry of alarm and struck her face and said, I am a barren old woman. That one each say. That one you so say. Abira wo mo de nkom hye ma Abraham no. Sarah edi sun ebai. Ebeka say manyini dodo na meyi obonyini. That one you say Abraham yire no odi sun ebai. First one no to say eye sediye en wode baaye. Me pa che fasha utrim. That one you say eye sun wode baaye. That one you say first one you say what the Syria the baaye. That one you see what the soon about ya the na yemfa. Desmo. Me pa cha de na yemfa. First one you see Abraham yire Sarah e the Syria le baaye. Efri se nkom hye ne ko Sarah nchen. That one you say Abraham yire e the soon baaye. Enkom hye ne ko Abraham nchen. Which is which? Atrofo pensere trofo ama Quran adani atro anya saa obofo trofo no e de asem ne baaye no wa ma asem na adani atro anase ala atrofo no e de nsem na hodo nan e ne baaye e bia ye difference anase komsheni trofo no ama komsheni adani atro de na yemfa asem we nhye no. If you think I'm lying, okay, first one, third one, you me make a fourth one, the actual me be a quiet too. Now, Waba. Yantuaso was it, and his wife approached with a cry of alarm and struck her face and said, I am a barren old woman, 30. Then they said, thus has said your Lord, indeed, he is the wise, the knowing. Abraham said, then what is your business here, oh messengers? They said, indeed, we have been sent to people of criminals. 33. To send down upon them stones of clay, marked in the presence of your Lord for the transgressors. 35. So we brought out whoever was in the city of the believers, and we found not within them other than a single house of Muslims. 37. And we left therein a sign for those who fear the painful punishment. Third one also the AC. Yanko fourth one. Quran Surah 29. Ayat number 28 to 35. Third one AC. Yanko fourth one. Quran Surah 29. Surah 28. 29. Ayat number 28 to 35. Yentie the anenso. And mention, Lord, when he said to his people, indeed you commit such immorality, has no one approached you. Okay. And mention to Lord when he said to his people, indeed you commit such immorality as no one has preceded you with among the worlds. Indeed, you approach men and obstruct the road and commit in your meetings every evil. And the answer of his people was not, but they said, bring us a punishment of Allah if you should be of the truthful. Sasem we say trainer ya kenka ni nyina Abraham amobia so ya friend said, Lord anka bia ho asem ho, but yan fan say hanen wo chechemi bia che. He said, my Lord, support me against the corrupting people. 31. And when our messengers came to Abraham, okay? And when our messengers came to Abraham with a good tidings, they said, indeed, we will destroy the people of that Lot city. Indeed, 8 people have been wrongdoers. 32. And Abraham said, indeed, within it is Lot. They said, we are more knowing of who is within it. We will surely save him and his family, except his wife. She is to be among who remain behind. 34. And when our messengers came to Lot, he was distressed for them and felt for them a great discomfort. They said, fear not, nor grieve. Indeed, we will save you and your family, except your wife. She is to be of those who remain behind. 34. Indeed, we will bring down on the people of the city punishment from the sky because they have been defiantly disobedient. 35. As we have certainly left of it a sign, as a clear evidence of a people who use reason. Enti ahasen so eba ye no. Third one we fourth one we say no. Ehu bi amo Abraham. Ne yiri bi ama mesere. O man hye Abraham bo bia. Me pacho tiani yo. This fourth one no. Ehu amo Abraham. Okay, me ba mama starting from channel. Was it and when okay. Was it mama starting from channel. Was it and when our messengers came to Abraham with good tidings, Omo be share Abraham but Omo ba Omancha, and they said, indeed, we will destroy the city of that Lot. Indeed, 8 people have been wrongdoers. And to Omo ba ya no, eyan kom hyenkwa na Omo de bre Abraham. Omo ba ya Omancha no, Abraham amu Omo na manwe. Omo anso na bo Omama ne. Omo anso e na bo Omama ne say, ehu bi anka Abraham. Omo na sa bo Omama ne say, and now ye kwa kosai Lot ne nkofo. And to essence so dia na work a whole different thing from the part 1, part 2, part 3 na mekan. Part 4 ne so dia na work a whole different thing. Say le dina mem ne yiri bia mesra na say ne yiri bia mesu enchia bia nkoso wo ho. Me pata what ya say ehu wi ama Abraham ye to aso 32. Abraham said, indeed, within it is Lot. They said, we are more knowing of who is within it. We will surely save him and his family, except his wife. She is to be of those who remain behind. And the above one cancer and Abraham say, hey, baby, I'm no Lot to hobby o. And above one si jai. Na yenim omo yenim was say we are more knowing of who within it. Omo nyina yenim obia echel. We will surely save him and his family. Enti lost na wo kana asem no wone na busua de ye beje wo monkwa e bata what ya say Abraham ani ama Lot ne nkofo wone abofo na anya argument bia omo bae o manchia Abraham ankofa na mamba Abraham amusa omo kwan so e ya abofo na lebo o mama ne ye this fourth one nso asem a wo kana no be pacha These 4 stories now ya can Canadian na yemfa. Emu dia he na ya no kore. First one in me the WhatsApp line to so Fresisia. Me the WhatsApp line be to so am Fresisia. Na bra na won so bra. Me hian kramofo na mo say. E bo dia na mo wo tiro. E kramofo. No. Omuni mo hwe to amano den. Sasa mo ya make kai kura. Kramoni bi wo platform so on kai da o. On kai da. Enso oba na no den. E pa cha mi pini number no nya bo trema. Mi wi ara mabaso. +393 +393 51255 0581. Yeah. WhatsApp calls. Why? Number na me dia to no. Me say me hunu contradictions wo Quran nim. Me dia ba. So say me bra. Never be disprove me. Me say me hunu contradictions wo Quran nim. Contradictions are me hunu ni wo mu. Number 1, eye Abraham abofo ne besera no na omo betwam akosodo me Gomora. First one omo ba ye no Quran Surah 11 no. Omo ba ye no from 69 to 83. Omo ba ye no omo chia Abraham say asumdue nkan. Na Abraham so je so asumdue nkan. Ehwa na Abraham wo mu se o masem bia e de wodi mirika no kofa anambere wo mu. Enam na wodi ma wo mu o manwe no. Enu di hu bo Abraham. Ehu na bo no e ma ne yire sere. Ne yire sere ye no ma nkomo hye no. Efri abofo na numu de ma ne yire ne se. Omo hye ne bo se wo be wo mam embebe mam yenu. Panyini be ye Isaac na de otosum yenu no aye Jacob. Second one ne say abofo ne ba ye no omo chia Abraham no enchia ne di hu bo Abraham enchia no e di hu bo Abraham e pato tie ni yo enchia ne mom no e di hu bo Abraham ne nya diane no enchia no e na di hu bo Abraham me pato e hu bo Abraham no e no omo ka kire Abraham se ensuro enya wunti ni oba ye enya wunti ni ye ba ye na mom de ba ofia ha no ye be hye wo nkom se wo benyin sen second one ne se enkom hye ne ko Abraham ho na nya Sarah ho me pata what ya say according to Quran Surah 50:51 to 75. Third one no say omo ba ye no omo chia Abraham no ha omo ba ya omo chia Abraham no. Third one me ba me pese me kan de animo me say me de Quran me de WhatsApp line na to so brother be kire mi enti Surah 51 me pese me kan de anim because mo de anim mo ye kan se ni wa wo be ba be fa ya asem ni sisi a na motwa na makoka se ya atrofo asem na ye kan de mu ntirekire mu da wo be ka se ya atrofo enso na de wo kro anim ni ye kan wa say has 51:24 no na me kan no Patrick was say how they reach you the story of the 100 guests of Abraham when they entered upon him and said, "We greet you." He answered, "Upon you peace. You are okay." Third one say, Abraham omo na omo chia Abraham no. Abraham je so enkomodie ko wontem Abraham eko so wo montem. Ama Abraham kura ka say, mo de mo ya wo minimo. First one anka sa, second one anka sa, third one na kire say enkomodie bi ko so. Enti enkomodie no say then he went to his family and waka say mo ya wo yenimo no. Ena okofa nam ebaaye. First one is omo chia no. Our days immediately no okofa nam baaye. Third one is omo chia no. Enkomodie bi ko so. Enkomodie na kire no. Ena okoye. Ena okofa nam baaye. Okay. And he say and placed it near them and he said, "Will you not eat?" And to wade nam le baaye na wodi si omo anim no. Wobusa mo say alemu nni nam no ana. First one anka sa, second one anka sa. First one can different thing. Second one can different thing. Third one so can different thing. 28. And he fed from them apprehension. They said, "Fear not, and give him a good tidings of a learned boy." And you know, a who born on and yam shen no almost a mensuro. Na ba ya ba ha no ya ba sa ya be cha wonkom. Wo ba wo ba be ma. Enti nkom hye no e enna edi ne yiri etwe ne yiri bai no odi su na baaye ebeka se aba bia manyina dredie be ya berewa okasa nyina osu first one say Abraham yiri Sarah osere third one say Abraham yiri Sarah osuni which is which Jabel Abdallah me pacho me the WhatsApp line at you. If I am lying, come out and disprove me. And kremoni bia wo beka se me ma kan na o mecheche service we no I am ever ready for you. Because you can never and ever unto me asasem way how obeda na wa correct asasem way. First one was three. Third one was soon. Abaminia. And ye o ye sure say the same Allah and the same book we buy. One God and the same book we buy. We are sure said one angel and the same messages we buy. We are sure said one prophet and they receive all these messages. Now one prophet in any one some and you train work you lie back. And you can 4 different stories. One story no appear e work any 4 different continuous times and ka ensi. Mawani na ho mawani na ho ye kan ye kire wo the Quran is the same as the Bible and esumu a wo pese me mrem me hwe sumu ni mu ahe de bia me kasa asem we from the beginning of my teachings me shall say me voice out about Islam and confirm bia menim wo mo say ye ni gise we obi a wani abrese ubesua Quran no wani gise ubehwehwe Quran nim wo be research about it through this research no e do be ba be kremoni more than 3 years ni every day bia mehwehwe the hadith tafsir the Quran nim bia no me wonu photo e pam free kremosom ne ho me na me ka kire wo e pam free kremosom ne ho kra emfa me ma ho sansem wo ya bi kopie Quran mu a enkremofo imam sre malam se no ekotu sansem wo ya na omo de sansem no atre a Christopher se atrofo pentre trofo no ama book na dane atro wo ma hia asem wo Quran mu wo nim se asofo no wo mu book no wo mu hwehwe mu nti enya de se wo mo beba be hia sansem we but ye say ye be boa asofo na am wo ma hu the lies in the Quran. You are dedicating your life, say, because you guys are using the Bible to disprove the Bible, telling the Christians, say, omu book no atrofo pentre trofo ama book na dan ya trono yenso ya tu ya nwasi wo say ya behwehwe Quran ni mu na yenso ya ma omu amotwe omu be mu no ehunu yiye say enkrebosom no eyelukadaya eyelukadaya dedeba any koko dede ni koko wo mu nyina ya friend say dedeba ni koko ba omu nyina ya mfantefo saa ne meka no dedeba any koko ba omu nyina ya mfantefo if the Bible is false the Quran is still false. If the Bible is truth the Quran is still false, because according to Genesis chapter 18 onyankopon to oja ene free soro eba be shi Sodom and Gomorrah minim competition kura this Quran no one Bible no wo minim se Quran no one Bible ne ko competition bi dia minim bibi biara Bible ne kan ye bia Quran ne ba na wa be sisane total bibi biara Bible ne kan ye bia no Quran ne ba na wa sisane nyina total all the stories appear o Bible ni mo no wo be hia ni nyina wo Quran ni mo a ene so can a different way kura a different from the Bible. The story of Sodom and Gomorrah abofo ni be pass wo Abraham ho se wo ken kai Bible no enye the same thing ya twa no wo Quran ni mo no Bible ni mo no ne kore abofo be sera no e ma omudidi Quran ni si da bi abofo ni ba ye no omondidi na aduane ni mpo no wo mo ni no e di hu bo Abraham abofo nso ba Bible ni mo no omudidi e ma eniji sem bi ko so wo mo no wo mo ntem e ma Abraham mpo no wo mudi nkoma Bible ne dia ekyere se onyankopon kora bekena se di aduane ne bi Quran ne se enya ne kore abofo na ani aduane no okay wa wo se enya ne kore abofo na ani aduane no bra na wo so bra bekyere mo ya wa beka ne maako for no to na wo narrative ya no eso wo bia ne se di o se kan no se dia na yemfa enti wo book we na ya fra Quran no wo ye book a ye betum di ya ho ato so which is which my people which is which patch of enzo ma me mo kakra wai mo ma me no mu so kakra Abraham ma me verse no enzu kom de mi ti ma mi so kakra no enso yes so no manoma da bi mediasi wo abusiafo mon kan yentie which is which me say I am waiting for the Muslims mano den they were platform so from the beginning of the teachings you know mano den they were platform we say so momra na momra me chirichirim ayesa sa program we sa verse we platform bi a medine su bi a meka platform bi a medina su bia meka sa asem we platform meka sa asem we akopem se asem we be tonkremofo wi ase nyina asom amon no ye se mu book ni di atro too much e di atro dodo e di atro obaye wase Bible ni ye trofo obaye wase Bible ni ye trofo enti wono na ye no kwafo ye ntie no ya di atum ye kokenkai wono nso a atro yi na nu ma se den asemba ako what can 4 times ni nyina no esono se de wo kan bia akwa ya wo frɛ minim se ontimi nkyerɛ hwe bet mo de mo mientie no hello ya minia
me ka de bia me ka kira se man ka se Qur'ana twantro
okay Matthias ye enti cheche
bia me ka sa ta mo ha awe no firu on man ka yusa wa ma Qur'an
cheche mu kire ye ne cheche mu kire ye wo de cheche mu kire ye
dabi o topic na wo di ba mi hwe be jesiye na mi hu se mi sama o sa te mi asam kura o sa
enti min cheche mu kire wa na
what ma kire busabe
okay
min
nya bo tire na tie wo de nya bo tire na tie na me kawia o be kawia bo nse Quran ya trofo Allah ya trofo
Allah ya trofo never Allah ya trofo
enje na
never ever say that
okay senya Allah na ya trofo dia enia enje na wode message ni ba na wa ya trofo
una want here
senya enje na ya trofo dia enia komshani Muhammad na ya trofo yentie mame nkenka mame
never komshani Muhammad Allah umina trofo ni bo
okay mate according to the Quran story big seas assembly abofo na omoko say Sodom and Gomorrah no se wo ya we wo sa asem no wo mo ba ya wo mo di ka beso ya Abraham so ansa na omo to aso akolo tukuro mo no makọ say kuro no ya kenkai Quran sura 11 ayat number 69 to 83 wo say abofo ne ba ya no omo chia
11 bosoro ne dimam
me pa chao Quran sura 11 wo say me ma me nkyerɛkyerɛ mo mfa nkyerɛ me kyerɛkyerɛ mo di akyerɛ wo enti ma waso na ho neti asem ne ye abofo ne ba ya no omo be chia Abraham 69 no omo be chia Abraham omo chia no Abraham nso de so wa jesu no enkomo bia nkoso wo mo ntem wa chia omo ojesu wie na hwa na osori na odi mirika kofie ene okofa enam ayaho ene ode bere abofo no ya kenka second one no so say omo ba na omo chia Abraham no ehu bo Abraham enti ehu na bo Abraham no ema me ba cha me ba first one de ema ehu bo Abraham no ye nam no okofa bere omo anwe nam no eno di hu bo Abraham ema ehu na bo Abraham no ema ne yiri Sarah sere ye no ena abofo no share ne yiri Sarah nkom se wo benyi nsan wo be wo mema mienu baako ye Isaac na baako ye Jacob second one nso na ye kenkan according to Quran surah 51 Quran surah 15 ayat number 51 wano nso kire say Abraham ba omo chia Abraham no enchia no na di hu bo Abraham ena omo ka kire Abraham say ema won suro na nyi omo nti no omo baaye na de ema omo baaye no eye nkom hye no omo de ebre no enti nkom hye no first one say nkom hye ne ko Sarah ho second one say nkom hye ne e ko Sarah ho de ayi na yemfa what time kan
mitio pa
emu de ayi na yemfa abofo ne baaye no omo baaye no first one say enkom hye no e ko Sarah nchai because na ehu abo Abraham second one no say ehu na ebo Abraham no ema abofo ne de enkom hye ne ma Abraham abofo de enkom hye ne ma Abraham na mom enya Sarah ni mienu de ayi na yemfa
na wa kwa tafsir
asembe na wo kan Quran say what it tafsir say
bia me ka Quran asam kire sa asam no ba say ya
tafsir say Quran ne kasa
na dia ba
Quran ne kasa yentie Quran anas yentie tafsir enti wo pesa wo kire yen say ye ko tafsir mebo ye ko tafsir be sisan asam na na
tafsir la ka asam no ama wa ti ase
enam say
kwani say ya obi an ti ase da
kai tafsir ne ma ye yetio kai tafsir ne ma ye yetio
minin wa se
okay and you win wa hade amade wo ho amra program na ye ni abere ye say na hunu contradictions
Quran bi biani ho ay contradict bi a wo kira no Quran say ba awodenti e ba e
enti Matthias ye
wan ko details a
Matthias ye enti die enti a e wo die enti a asem ne ba ye no ena Abraham okay ena Abraham fie asem ba ko asi wo Abraham fie Quran ne narrate a wakane 4 different time ni nyina so ste e kan different obi anso wo se di osika no enti ye se de na ye ntie
dabi asam no ba asam ne tibi twaso story ni wodi ba nyani na nya wo ni fa ko wodi ba story tibi twaso na ko fa sura different sura na na
okay edi asemu hia sa asem ni
nyane direct ni na
okay edi asemu hia bi wo Bible mu nso a mu nso mu hunu yie se dia Quran ne tie ne sa na Bible ne tie enti mu nya sa mo ka se okay enti sa tam ne de na wo Nyankopon ne kasa contradicting no se ne de on kasa contradicting no
Nyankopon nya mistake
masa mami nya why mami nya na me fa ofre for go fro
dabi
masa okay any a chire mu ma ye
I no boy mistake and mix masa me kan kire on say man ka se Quran e kontro anything man firu adum man ka bio
me say Quran ya trofo Quran ka tro Allah ya trofo kom sheni Muhammad ya trofo ena enji Gabriel so ya trofo because na wo mo so ne nya Quran se na wo mo so ne nya Quran na se Quran ni di atro de o mo nyina ya trofo simple as ABCD until say
o mo nyina nya tro
until say wo be ma ye nchirechire mu no o mo nyina ya trofo
I believe no
okay okay enti Quran contradictions wom ana contradictions nim
never the piano aya the time I can kira o say sa chapter we ba abra na Islam ni aho de no sa chapter we ba chapter o tin wa papa we
Quran contradictions wom ana contradictions nim
the piano was
okay any Umar Yusuf waya kremoni wase men kantra o say wase but the Quran but the Quran itself admit that there are contradictions in it but not many according to Quran Surah 4 ayat number 82. Quran Surah 4 ayat number 82 no Quran editum say contradictions e wo Quran nim but enoso enso mo kramofo amabai nei no Allah ne say Quran contradictions wo enoso enso mo kramofo amabai nei no mo say there is no single contradictions in the Quran enti mo mo ni Allah when yentie
una ma understand Como ya poco que biano
yo mate mini mami nyao oba I want to me on verse bi emu amaye enti no eni kwase ye continue na ye entertain you yes ye pe obi a obetumi afre oba na waka chem say men kai verses no one after the other man menya abotre making kai ni nyina na masade me point ni nyina ba na wa chirechire mo me yatie Quran Surah 11, Quran Surah 15, Quran Surah 51, Quran Surah 29. Sa Surah we say no nyina no. E can the same story no. Esi wo Abraham penso, wa Abraham ye ko say Sodom and Gomorrah no. Asem wo ya no. This 4 surahs no. E narrate sa ansem no. Esum said you obi aka no. Ye bema ma adwen na ye adwuma. Ye bema ma dia tum say indeed Quran no. There are contradictions in it, but it's not many. Said in Quran Surah 4, ayat number 82 kan me go to me start to begin no me di ka kan say was it say emfiri wono aladea and ye nanka ye benya contradictions bebre ewom enti wodo ankasa no wagitum say there are contradictions in it, but not many. There are contradictions in it, but not many. But in Kremofona Abandeno, almost say there is no single contradictions in the Quran. There is no single contradiction in the Quran. Meanwhile, the Quran itself, no jitum. I don't think I want abrogation verses. I want Quran anymore. Say Quran one contradict here. Why you there abrogation verses? What about the 4 verses I quoted right now? 4 verses now me quote to you now. Assemba kope esoro die bia kan yanya ne dai. Mini akremoni a untie me pa chawo. Kan wakoma to yem. Membremu e na won soso no enye ofo. Book no. Book no. Wonto obo asinsuan ye. E ba ya no wo hye ase akoma karanta no. Ye de Arabic ne na kire wo. E na ye kire wo na eka utirimo no. Enti enye wo hia de se obebo moden na wasa akobak na wakenka because wadwe ya wo se wa capture ni nyina bu utirim wutime recite enti recitation na wo utirimo no ene nkirekiremu no a u imam se ne u shakes them out from your childhood no sankirekiremu no na da so da utirim enti wonya wadwe se obekọ kohwe book nim na wape enkirekiremu fufuro bi na wa hwese nia imam se ne kan ya ne sa ne ti ana onye wadwe afe na akwanya beda ho se ye no mu sei no ye mra bontene na ye me kan kira wo se da bi nia imam se ne u shakes ne kira from the beginning no enye sa na wo book nim enti kwa wachi na shas ya kokenkai Quran no ya wa application e wo Play Store ko Play Store ko na ko download Quran verse Quran ya friend version e wo Play Store wan kasa kenkai Quran no you will see say ye more than and now me post to say there on platform so me say you guys no monte asi because monya ma adene say mo be jai atrocha but adamo ko be do say mo be jai atrocha no mo be tie na se ada mo ko be do say mo be jai atrocha no mo be tie na se. Every Muslim is a liar. I tell you. This one, no. There is no doubt about it. Every Muslim is a liar. Every single Muslim be a liar. This one, there is no doubt about it. Because asabno wabaya na wokan. Wakina sen wade na so te said you see can samno one. What you say na wokan e fa ne kwan so. But essence and kremosumuni mono se won to me near throne defend ne sumo no wonye kremoni nti e wo se wo fo so na wo di atro no wo di defend so mo yeni e ba wo ti asema wo kan o ti asema wo kan afa na verses na makenkan no men koma tafsir nko chire mo nchire me o ko check tafsir ne so a said the Quran ne kan no the same thing na tafsir ne so be kan no enti the need of going back to read the tafsir no anything yes say read the Quran by yourself emma obi biara emma obi sa yeni ya ofre kremoni na ofre sisi ya Quran no the recitation ni nyina woni trimu Quran recitation ni nyina woni trim but wonim se de eka wonte ase o kan wo betumi a reading Arabic ne de amount but ono an Arabic na wo reading no wo wie na ka se won kire wase ya no wo se toto papa so onte ase enti se wo nya wo adene se wo ko school na wo hunu ABCD twiro no hunu se ye ka A ni ye di M ka ho ni ye di A be ka ho eye ama enti English words ne ye ka 3 bomu a e wo word e ka de a e de na ko ne ko kenkai Quran no because Quran the translation of English no about go and read it emu obi an kan kire wo say ye translate e de ba English a enye Quran biem then omana omo ka sa asem ni nyina no tell them say they should stop their sheikhs and their imams for translating the Quranic no into your friends a tree language no omunyai hello 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 on you ready hello hello yeah Miriam
yeah good
evening boko there yeah je so pa Miriam yo mate ken kai ma Miriam e ba cha wo so pa yeti o asam de ya asam pa
na sa de we de ni tan ko omo o se abi bi ameka se Bible na omo oye ne sa no esan se na Christopher na ye wo pie bi wo Quran no nti enta ye nko hwehwe mu fa mpriki adu dem but Quran where's book I think Bible no kra
sanity
chewa ne ba
chewa ne ba
because ebesi na ara ka say the book na free on one aka contradiction but no asan twa no ho on other side
ya asemo
the contradiction
story ba ko pe eni se wo kan bebre won an basa de agu no
no
ya se o
no problem benefit utu say inventors no inventing Quran and so one yes man because when we say book bi aba enuma bi hihye ma book no eno na ma na e ba e say nka wo pra hu san die na wo ye ni se de be asa nyoma we di mpm
what you say
but what san so aye there same mistake
asemo
Bibia because don't always open creative book before the creator san e be
Yadasi Minion.
Yes, I be you poor no.
Sa pepe.
Come so monka.
Yabeka mo. Ready.
Ya okay no mo to me back and you know na be twa.
Sa pepe.
Omo fa baby amode ye. Omo ni. You say baba other part. We dey come on. Ben omo do.
Dabi. Yadasi Minion. Hello? Yeah, Miriam. Me ba cha tie. Me ba cha ba ko na so e.
Me cho ka fa.
Yes you te on ka kasa ma ye wuni.
CSF me chia bibia Abraham be mo she. Me kasa. Na dia che won say kremoni no frɛ no wantimi enkyerɛkyerɛ mu wantani wa
David
on be god nam
sabe
no dia nasem nyina ne sɛ na men kasa Quran yɛ ntro da na men kasa te sɛ ehu ne nsɛmhu yaka asɛm common sense family member why so video tin to live waka asɛm otu yɛ kremoni wa frɛ okwa de sɛ the program ka wa ntie o do ba ya ko ni ke bitu awu sɛ
Bra, wotie from the beginning, Obwa. Wotie from the beginning, Obwa. Okaso wontie Obwa. Wotie from the beginning.
Yo.
Enti de kan ni na wote oni anu anu yi enti wo so twantro.
Yes. I had to obuso omo say, okay, say kremofo me ma benya 72 virgin. Kremofo ma benya den. Sa question obusa no pe taboo. Onya no yi ma wuda beto papa so sa
beto papa so
be bo ho am ho ate ye bo ho am ho ate mo mo ti ase say wo mo so Christopher omo jo ma ho no say wo mo so ye be bo ho am ho ate
ye be bo
omo afi be na be sha ase afi kra na be sha ase
se first one dey no omo si ye didi wo matem ye say dey ni di wo matem bi mu e say dey bo fa akona dey ama wo mo why
Yes, it's intellectual
battle ye no kombeko. Sabe pe yen so de ye banzo a ye ma question a wuntimi ya no. Ya das mini ya das.
David we
gane. Quran surah let's don't say Quran surah 54 ayat number 17 na wakan ya na. Last one. Okay, 54:17. Mami bi na men kan kai ma live stone na hwe asin bi o. E ba cha mo send me invite, me ntimi mfa obi a live o. Me fa mo live a, me phone opia e be sa ye pia mo nko. Pam chew. O say then, and we have certainly made the Quran easy for remembrance. So is there any who will remember? Oh, the book is not easy, my brother. And force criminal Quran wo criminal the book no alif lam mim eno no kremoni be na tiase obi ene wo tiase so the Quran is not easy even Komsheni Muhammad nan kasankasa alif lam mim enya de se obusa na obetumi akere wase hello 54:17
hello dunia
ya minia memo akwaba
me chao ne tifo nyina
ya jo sopa
ready ejuma udi na e ba so kra be no che ne for bejo
me ba chao yetio
ya se me nyina ne se ye de tifo ene hu ne se nsema e ko so no ye nuano mo ba omu ntimi nkyeremu
sa
na de ba ko a na ya me dwen ho a menti ase ne se aya na nkramufo mo dwen se omudim nyansa se omompanyimfo no
aya asemo
ebredi atwamu Abraham ne ye friend say Mr. Awal omo professor
Sheikh Awal Mohammed
no oyi ni video bi o se intellectual battle dien na nanse ya Zak ba ya o kasa Abraham akasa wan kasa yi no a ofre Timothy ase hwan o de Timothy kan o se ayen nkramufo ne betime ntokwa ye betime de ko defend your religion
on dey say enye sa platform no so anko an wojira aka on dey waka no on platform so waka no Samson Seto platform so waso wo modie they can do anything bibi biara with sword anything. With gun with anything to protect their religion
and say ko basa dia na Sheikh Ahmad Awal na onu nsu odi na chisua na na mo no ntie na asem
se enkremosom no esono ye wo omo life no wo mu di som na chi se wo mu de ne kure bi ba abonte no omo pese omo force ye som no ne kure edi mani pebi enti sa asem no eya trompo na wo kan obefa kwan bi so adane asem ne de ama onye ne ntokwa ene ya wo mo nso a omu di sum na ti se asem na wo kan wonim se eye ntro na wo kan esan se ya tro na wo da ya tro na die ne die ene ya obedane ne ntokwa na wona wo de asie ni wotimi wadi wo so wantimi wo nso a waka na hye saa na bi motie e wo sum ni mu saa na me hu no
monyere mo ho na wodo we ya oba ya sisi ya ubisa no ntimi anya no a menni hwan ate menni hwan ate na omu nyina okota so omu tie emire bi beba
omu do so no omu wo so
na anya
enkremofu a wo so sisi ya no mehwe me screen ani a mi hunu kura me hunu be 3 bi wo so a wo mu tie program pa bet se oba frese oba be kasa de wo kan wo boa no wontumi da enso achina wo bonso oba kwa akotena ba bi oba kasa sankofa nka no kore me die
sankofa de wo kan no eno ana wo kan se nya na atwere Quran no ena bra bi ba so sisi ana wo kan se nko mo ye fast no mo translate it to English no na nko mo ye o mo correction nyina enka ye be kan nke ye hu san kom zo no but o mo ntimi anya no nko ade de wo mu no se de wo mu no ebinu mo frɛ no holy no saa na ebe kan so de amom ndi mo nyere mo homo adwuma me tie chiefuo nyina
yedas
na nkɔpɔ nga mo
yedas
bye
abusuafo I am giving the verses out once again. May the verses name mamu biem obia nkonkotena se na won kenkan stories no na won hwe se asem no e contradict no ho anase en contradict no ho eye one story e na Quran no won narrate about Abraham efri Abraham fie enkomo okosu kosi Lot fie enkomo okosu Quran surah 11 ayat number 69 to 83 Quran surah 11 ayat number 69 to 83 second one here Quran surah 15 ayat number 51 to 75 Quran surah 15 ayat number 51 to 75 third one here Quran surah 51 ayat number 24 to 37 Quran surah 51 ayat number 24 to 37 fourth one here Quran surah 29 ayat number 28 to 35 Quran surah 29 ayat number 28 to 35 sansem we say no verses we na mediama out no ni nyina the same story about the same Abraham, about the same angels, about the same Lot, about the same city, the same story no na Quran eka all these four no narrations na wo no ebia wo said wo sika no okay kaya ma adene na da wutiri mo no en follow en semo no a wo kan no nefa ne words by words nothing as a check na wo be hunu ye say the Quran lies a lot. I tell you, we say bi ne copy Bible mo no Jesus ebisi ya wuni nyambuom ebisi ya wodo wofuom ebisi ya wono wodem ni wo no sorry no ebisi wo wu anado ebisi wo sorry ahomache ebisi ne omokoto no wobuonim ebisi ne wo pia bontere ebisi wo kase wo yesojani ensem se nwonan sa na obepie wo Quran yi mo yo the same thing ensem wo ya Jesus die no enkremofo ne de battle a Christopher no etro mo se omubuku no contradict wo mo ho the same Quran no wanu susu ye the same thing no enso hu se enkremofo no de aba bontere da me say if you stop lying you will understand us because you love lies a lot I don't think I want to be a can I say no so when you obi a we atro free wakwa mu trust me unhunu ye say abodam da Quran kroye say I came to confirm the Bible me by say me be confirm the Bible but there is no single thing Quran aba be confirm omoboa Quran me confirm he me na me ka kire o Quran me confirm he okay Moses story and just say teachings where you be Saturday coming okay Moses story a different okay Jesus story a different Abraham story Bible and Quran a different Mary our who Jesus no Bible and Quran a different the story of your friend say the story of Noah is different. Job, hello.
Yeah, what about you say?
Maybe I chop on answer.
The man for here. You say we show the sooner. I just got company to be said with the. Look, you say Quran. Anybody will be you Anna.
Oh, na say Quran e ba ye no. Wo se wo be confirm Bible no. E na Bible no say Bible no nsem na o kan. Bible no nsem a o kan no. E ye nsem kro na Quran nso pese wo kan. Na nso Quran ne dane.
The one in pass.
Bible no never first.
The Bible not just the book about the confirm na.
Asa wo mo see Jesus say, wo ko obi bebe na chi ye friend Muhammad.
Oh, that is yes, trust our Bible no you. I trust our Bible.
Media minim say our Bible ni mu sa dia minim. But wo mo say Deuteronomy 18 o say your friend say Muhammad hon commission ho. Ena your friend say what's it the Sons of Solomon. Muhammad asem asem ho. And wo mo say Jesus say Muhammad hon kom e wo Bible. Enti e de say Muhammad e pie wo so. Media Jesus yo Muhammad yo Allah o Yahweh o menyi obi ani nti no story no me kenkai ni bi sa na ekro.
But unjin di say Quran ebe say mwajun. Quran dey to be frank me hu say e ye bomb che Bible no bebre. Quran e ye bomb. E che Bible no ye bomb ko ma Bible no ye bomb. Me pa cha ye bomb. Oh, what for me bomb back.
Bible ni ye bomb, Jesus ye wo no hene. Jesus ye wo ni nyambo ma na ye wo no dem. Say wonti en kama men fa foforo. Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Me ba cha good evening.
Me pa cha sanko fa na ka say.
Me ba cha wono apa.
Me pa cha na me bibi but me on Facebook that me ti say we say Quran contradiction baby.
Okay.
Ya she boss for this say. Yeah, catch Abraham say obo ma melu as something like that.
Okay.
As they can Yakub.
Me ba cha wo ye kremoni.
I'm your kremoni.
Okay, me da se. Asem bi ko so e wo Quran sura 11 me kai 2 na me de amount why that what ye said ye sika yen me di ka ken
Quran sura 11
from beginning on
there be ayat number 69 to 83 ayat number 69 to 83 me pa cha we say
okay,
me ba cha me ba me be na ma kenkai ma na
Arabic ara say we can English.
Me ba cha me minti min kai Arabic de mintu min kai.
Okay. Now when you say English it translates the meaning.
Okay, Matthias here. Enti no me kenkai say enti sa wo Arabic ni mu a. Na wo Matthias here say enti sa why. Okay. Ayat number 69. Okay. Was say, and certainly did our messengers came to Abraham with good tidings. They said, peace. He said, peace, and did not delay in bringing them a roasted calf. Me pacho sanete wa Arabic ni.
ولقد جاءهم رسل إبراهيم بالبشرى قالوا سلاما قال سلاما فلما لبثوا أن جاءهم بالعجل حديث يا إلامبا.
Okay, next say abofo
me pacho metie
abofo ne ba ne nche no ene omo chia ni peace ena Abraham so Jesus peace according to this story no wo chia omo wie no when delay kura ena okowura fie ena okofa enam ayaho ena wo de bre omo eye sa na se yesa
me ba wa say Quran na ka say wala kad ja'at rusuluna wa ka say injil wa ka say malaika or see rusulun esmafo messenger wow
and that
wa ka say wa that translation or translation
messengers me pacha messengers na wa ha na that messengers no why na soma wo mo Allah ana Allah
Allah me pese won say Quran original one and ka say abofo da bae but who can say abofo
enti wo mo no na o mo ya abofo
Quran is sumafo sumafo
enti o mo no nyankopon asomafo no o mo nka abofo
me ba sa Womoba as a form of angels are. You can say of angels, but one but say Womaba forms a woman being. And no save woman. So say woman strangers. So he have to save them. So first of all, you have to give him something to eat before you ask him amen. Wow.
Yeah. Enya abofo madiatu. Womo ya asomafo. Madiatu.
Yeah, Quran akatel.
Madiatu. Yento aso. 70. On the first one they say, Abera awo ne ba ne nchen no. Wo mo chia ni peace, and wo no nso Jesus peace. Enkomo bia nkoso biem. Ehwa na wo sori ye na wo ko inside. Na wo kofa na ma ya ho, and wo de bere wo mo.
Ba me ba sanko fa nyabotire wa nya hoho. Unya ho o mani nsuo.
Yes.
Anato unya ho na obusu na asam.
Meti dia wo kan meti ase. Meti dia wo kan ase o, me nua meti ase ye. Ye pese me no be kai stories mienu. Enti point na wo mu no a me frɛ no contradiction no. E na me make the amount. Enti wo die tie se dia me si make point ni yie. Okay.
So unsu na wa fa me tire be ka no na wa what dia make me so me ka no.
Omutie, omunsu tie, o voice na ewo enti atie fo tie. Ye nto aso.
Okay.
Number 17 was say, but when he saw the hands but when he saw their hands not reaching it, he distracted them and fed from them apprehension. They said, fear not, we have been sent to the people of Lot. According to 17, what dear Diana ba ya no a oman ye aduane no e ma ehu bo Abraham ehu na bo no e ma abofo ne ka kire o mo se da bi mensuro na nya wunti ne ye bae ye soma ye e wo people of Lot nkofo ho e na ye soma wo mo Arabic ne sa na tia na ente sa
sa na tia wo odi duane si ono wo mandi so somebody na aduane ne twi wo mo I said something like they couldn't eat the food. So he gets scared. Wow. So say nipa be na meti aduane aho de woni say wonya aho de wodi aduane si no e say wodi. No no one wo ma atima de aduane no. Enya hu kan no.
Enti aduane no aduane ne na ma hu kan no. Aduane ne ma
so wom ko so aduane na aduane ne twi no ho.
Wow.
So they couldn't eat the food.
Good
so
point.
said something strange happened there.
Good point.
That's why he gets scared.
Matthias ye many problem.
That's why he gets scared.
72.
And I know them we so uta so see I know who say wa bo hu I know ka kire say there be.
Dia o kan dia menyi wachi. Dia o kan menyi wachi ni sa na sa na wa ho. Sa na wa ha. Enti ni Matthias ye perfect. Okay.
Enti I know ka kire say manu bo hu because wo mu yes wo mu loot for but umba money black title enti na wo mu fa ho.
Okay. 71. And his wife was standing and she smiled. Then we gave her good tidings of Isaac. And after Isaac, Jacob. Sana ya trene wa Arabic ni. Say, Abera ne yire no ehubo Abraham no wie ye no. Ne yire no sere, ne yire Sarah sere. Ena abofo no share oba ne nkom say, wo benyin say na wa wo mema mienu. Aba de Isaac after Isaac no eye Jacob. Sana wa Arabic ni mo ana.
Meba omratu hu ka ya omratu ka imata no fa so ka فبشرناها بإسحاق ومن وراء إسحاق يعقوب. Yeah. One say, "Netab no ababro, no ababo." Enti womo ma ni say ni yirba wo akwara, ni yirba wo. Damn no, they are all old people. Womo timu wubio, woma yi what they call it, confidence cry. I say womo.
Yeah, omo tawo, baby, omo timu wubio.
Exactly. Anna, ye share no boss say oba wo oba. Isaac na Isaac susu bawo Yakub wa na wu Yakub me pa chao
Isaac me pa chao tie ni ye dia me pesa me ma wo tie ase na mi key point ni ye enkom hye no wo ma anhye Abraham na emo omo hye ne yire seda sa na wo sa wo tie ase
okay
enti enkom hye ne nanya seda no enye Isaac enye Abraham no omo hye ne yire Sarah
me pa chaw na wanu hu anagina ho
me pa chaw omo beto Abraham en omo chia no peace ena wo Jesus omo chia no peace na wo Jesus wo ena wo wura inside na okofa anam ya ho no wo de bere wo mo omo ni aduane na ehu bo Abraham e wo mo ka cha Abraham say me ma hu mo enye hu ntini ya ba na mo ya soma ye lot ene ne nkofo nkyai enti no ehu na bo Abraham no e ma ne yiri Sarah sere enti nkomo hye no wo mo de nkomo hye ne ma ne yiri o ma mfa ma ni kunu se mi sisu bia mu ba ma ode a mi sisu
mi ba ma tia sesero kan mi si na anu wa na gina ho wo mo ka ya no
endi na Sarah ene ni kunu nyina ne gina ho
mi busa okay enti mi pa tia so we see na wo ma hye no what do you call it so wo ba wo mam Emmanuel won ankwara me no Isaac eni Jacob enye say Isaac ni Jacob uhwa bi Ishaq wa min wara Ishaq Jacob na Jacob susu Isaac obomba Isaac na Isaac susu bawu Jacob enti na yekete mo say eya munya abutre na mutua ade anu ye na mu sa na mamun kasa Qur'ani a chantro Qur'ani ayese Qur'ani ayese. Wow.
Minie enti
mi ba.
O mami mbeki me point ne ma wo ana.
Sa aha wanka se enti se mami nkora me no maka se obo wo ara se akora ba.
Minie eye sana Quran ne kan no tom. Wase Isaac after Isaac Jacob. Enti ese no o kan se after Isaac Jacob no ka be se minchire mu sai minie.
Aha, enti na ye kete am se munya abutre na musia.
Okay, yati ase.
Munya abutre. Enye se girgiri. Asam se nya Quran ne kasa nu.
Okay.
Quran kasa is need explanation. So you have to
Isaac Tio Isaac any Jacob de no. Enya no na ye me contradiction no. Ma me nchire o me contradiction na me kan no neti ase. Sa Isaac ni Jacob. Say Isaac na wu Jacob o. Say Jacob na wu Isaac o. Say Abraham na wu omo bienu nyina o. Eno nka me contradiction ho.
Men kanisa.
Eno nka me contradiction o.
Enti what ya say enye Abraham na wu Jacob.
Me say
what ya say sir.
Eno dey nya me case. Me contradiction no enka ho.
There be say that na wu kasa before no. Say na wu kasa before no. One man for understand say Quran say Abraham ni ye na ba wu Isaac ni Jacob
entino
you have to mebo say ye ma o mu understand say Quran interest
okay
wow say na Isaac susu ba wu Jacob and ye say Abraham na ba wu mu
mebo mami say so mfama na tie say the English ne kan no enti say English na adane no me na madane no ana
enti na ke say who say translation no it can be superior than the original language.
Okay, Matthias, it can be superior. And I'm tell say nya abotre na me contradiction na me si me hunu no me mfama Isaac ni Jacob dia wo kan ho asem no maka che say me contradiction na me kan no enya no asem enti nya abotre na me contradiction ya me hunu no me mfama na prove che me say dia me kan ya nya contradiction na Isaac ni Jacob dia wo je wo chinye ne dia and it's a contradiction no
ma wo se wo ka se Quran a se wo se Abraham na ba wo Isaac ni Jacob enti na me frɛ
abusuafo akate minim sɛ yɛ dɛ a ɔbɛsa yɛ afrɛ bi tie ni yo me se me hunu contradictions wɔ Quran ni mu me kenkai stories no me ka me contradiction no sɛ Isaac na bɛwu Jacob o sɛ Jacob na bɛwu Isaac o sɛ Abraham na bɛwu Isaac o sɛ Israel na bɛwu yo I don't care me say enkom hye no ba ko say ye hye Sarah ba ko nso say ye hye ni kunu Abraham baby nso ba ko say Abraham su your friend say Sarah su baby nso say Sarah sre. These are my contradictions dia hene ana yemfa ene na wo ba na nka wo se wo betirechirem say Isaac wu Jacob wu Abraham wani wu Adam. I don't care. That is not my contradiction I found in the Quran. Surah ba ko say Sarah sre. Surah ba ko say Sarah su say dia na yemfa. Surah ba ko say Abraham na wo mo share ne nkom. Surah ba ko say Sarah na wo mo share ne nkom. Say dia na yemfa. Dia na yemfa. Me pa chawati ase. Ne phone na kate and me expect say wo be safre back because I was say wo answer that question no. I was say wo answer that question no. Surah ba ko say Sarah sre. Ba ko say Sarah sui. Ba ko say enkom hye ko Sarah nchen. Ba ko say enkom hye ko your friend say Abraham nchen. Ba ko say aduane na omo nie no ena ema ehu bo Abraham. Ba ko nso say da bi enya aduane na omo nie ni na ma ehu bo Abraham. Na emomo no wo mo chia Abraham no enchia no ena di hu bo Abraham. De yen na yemfa. These are the contradictions I'm talking about. Not about Isaac giving birth to Jacob or Abraham giving birth to Sarah. I don't care. The contradictions I found in it, you know. And I'm a day bar on Tremoba. Moma young Koso, Namon Trey. You see? They were who obedient. And Kokani or Quran 2-3 times. Baby, or can I say, or boy Isaac ni Sarah dinin, or boy Isaac ni Jacob dinin Quran. And your Quran Surah 11 and Quran boy Isaac any Jacob din asan. And it said, Dini Sako Piamubium, and I may kobo Dini Biamudia, and Kamaka said who contradictions would dinner. Better Dino, man and Piamubium a PM once, dear Piamu 2 treno, and I may boss of the Tremono, Moba and Nona Momra me answer. Sarah Sui. Sarah sre. Boshane ko Sarah ho. Boshane ko Abraham ho. Ediane na me ehu bo Abraham. Ediane na omo nie no. Ena me ehu bo Abraham. Enche na omo chia Abraham no. Ena me ehu bo Abraham. Emu dian na yemfa. Mo ba na mbeba be kireche ni mo no. Afia na mo be di achiye se enye Abraham na wu Jacob na ye Isaac na wu Jacob. Yenye ne dai. Eno ka contradiction ho. Abusiafo me sa try se me se nyane biema oba pa chan me try se me se nyane biema kam pese me pon bet ma me try se me nyane biema oh me nya obi nso me score ha gani you me pa cha me fro bra panyi ma me sa try se me se nyane biema me se nyane no me try ha I'm just going to say, hello?
Yeah, please, I'm busy with my kids. I'll call you back, okay?
Okay, no problem. I was saying for him, say, what's why you busy? Why? I'm saying, what's why you busy? Mama, I'm in front, call away, say, for I'm in front, Median Mary. And the I'm maybe an iron to me and him come home because what's why you busy? Sovereign Savio or a dinner they are several. Maybe Mebo Sules, Messi Sules, and so I'm be more. Hello? Yes, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Brapani.
Good evening.
Good evening, Boko dear.
Oh, Boko, Michio, no tea for you now, Michio Commerce for you now, and age my power.
Yeah, that's Ubiajo also.
Now, Cremofono. Asama no Kurano, Ubisana, or no one kada. If so, Kuran and Anka say the Kayaka say. Our Kuran may be Kayaka say so be. Eka Kuran was some name Yakura, tiny Chise aye. Men didn't change say and yet, as I say, we Cremoni can't be near Oba, support to say aye. Was that in a different point to so? Was that in a different point to so? They see a Bitan who point to no soon see our catch up so besa Oba. When Miss Asama will be son 1 year, on to me. Sankopoye ina sa zongo nusa unsa masa mimi cheka kile musu kura ebola mama ne we buku no kan be ko toilet wa afini na me ka kirawo fi
ya kwajo kumsen woye na woye muslim now no woye free thinker
sinema misu kakra wono no kakra no wakana no tise se ya ni ade hono de ba ya ni no hosa asem hu asem na wonchi o so asem na wonura wutra bisa bra na be bisa asem wo ya mi we ene ma dwe fa nti o se mi bisa ho asem ko bisa no we pie wo se ba ko no frɛ ya wo se wo bisa na asem kura wontumi yi no
asem
wontumi ya no Cinema, that's a man from Brazil.
Yadas. Miniana Ubusa verses no mamma farmer once again. Now for Memphis Jumedi no Mrevi, why? Mamma farmer once again. Quran Surah 11. Quran Surah 11. Ayat number 69 to 83. First one, no. Sawo kenkaya nyabotre. Netie no ensem no se de esi kan no na ukosi kan wan so a na wa masansem no a wo kenka ni first one na da wuti na obehu se second one ne contradict second one no eye Quran Surah 15 ayat number 51 to 75 third one eye Quran Surah 51 ayat number 24 to 37 third one Eye Quran Surah 29, ayat number 28 to 35. Eye 4 ena meshia ni wom. Ebacha wati ase 4 ena meshia ni wom. Enti sa 4 na meshia ni wom no, me kenka ye no, esom sedie ebia eka no. Sela esunwi, Sera esre. Ediane na omoni ni na ma ehu bo Abraham. Enchiane omochia Abraham no, ena ma ehu bo no. Womochia no ana, ena wakofa ediane bere wo mo. Ba kon se womochia no, waka se womo ya wo go nti nkomodie ko so, ansan wakofa ediane na bere wo mo. Which is which? Yeah, last one.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, people.
Sankofa. Micho ni utifo nyina. Wewe mi kasante ba mi muse na woni kremoni be fast ba. Na nka bese mi we ye check with Micho bia utifo nyina.
Obia joso.
Obia family for bia jiwo wuti na Micho mu nyina. Na nka bese ye check again. Anka obetuma check Quran 34 verse 44 amaya Quran 34 verse 44
okay meba
yes
Quran 34:44 Quran
34:44
me call down kaimo okay I say
44
was say and we had not given them any scriptures which they could study. And we had not sent to them before you, O Muhammad, any warner. Okay?
Yes, Matthias, I was saying,
One fast scriptures be a mere or almost say woman singer.
Yes, a part is on fire, Bibian Bre or
on fire. Yes.
Yes. Yes, Bibian Bar or Moho da.
Yeah.
Necessary, okay, young Koshe Quran 10, 47.
Quran 10:47. Okay. 47. Ayat number 10.
Quran 10:47.
10:47.
10:47. What changing?
Oh, okay.
10. Quran 10 and 47.
Okay, may I sorry. 10:47. Or say,
no problem.
Or say, and for every nation is a messenger. So when their messenger comes, it will be judged between them in justice, and they will not be wronged.
Okay, who say? When the first one, or see, yes, any messenger bia. Yes, any messenger bia.
Any book bia. Yes, yes, send a messenger bia. Any book bia.
But second one also, or see, you're sending a messenger for
every nation. Yeah.
A nation. Some of me patch out. We are patch says.
Oh, okay. Ebia. To me no ebia. Every nation bia wama womo. The messenger. But ebia na. That first one I can and now he was referring to the Arabs. Maybe he was referring to the Saudi Arabians. I don't know rather.
Yeah, but second one also see every nation na Arab for no omo enka ho.
I say be afa na na wodi wo messenger ebere wo. What you say?
No, but no. Shaula Shadibu, Prophet Muhammad, or messenger, we are singing now.
Yeah.
Or near my Arab form, because Arab form Mutikanya or more messenger than that.
Okay. Okay. So, Afena may get to a point, you know. Nature said, Muhammad, you know.
Prophet Muhammad,
yes. When your messenger, according to Enkremosomono, Commissioner Muhammad, you know. Wa mama Arabs nenkwa nemom Obama the whole world meaning say this surah no 10:47 ne say to every nation no yama wo messenger no then Commissioner Muhammad no enye Arabfo nenkwa dia nemom Arabfo no omanya wo commissioner pen
yes but first one na kind so no first one so ye kind so
and there was one Sunday messenger call
giving them. Yes. So what you must say?
Matthias Pibla too. Matthias here by a point.
Okay, wait until you can be now media. Yeah. Say contradiction.
A point pa.
Anka Kremoni ba na ko we we anka ma ba be chiremo anka ebe de pa because sisi ano ya bre about sa we will 72 virgins na omudi high too much.
Oh.
Only 72 virgins no kura omudi say robot o. Ala bo mu keke.
And there.
Ala bo mu keke.
And there.
For atumpa. Ya program na misi na asem we kura me ya me twi kura me tiase. Na sa only robot e da we Feel is been a woman.
Omo your sex toys. Omo your sex toys.
What shall they do? Yeah, omo ya creator just for Tonga. She ena shall they do omo enni, omo enta, omo enjunso. But what shall they do? She only will yirita kura anase only u girlfriend da. Utimi po u girlfriend sa ama gen kura timi ta. Na wankasa wa di dance say yes ma botuma. Chimo ni ma Michael ni taye. When you know a cahu na yet, or be correct with Junso, you know, na yet. The who got the robot or much so when you wake up, assemble crazy. I'll get you I would have missed some point because I'm saying contradiction, but maybe me and I mean just yet. So it's not over. Who the work as such?
Yeah, that's
Mammy Jawa, Mammy Jawa. No, that will program I come up. I'm Ethiopia. We are going to people out too. Yeah.
Stephen, your Allah will punish you for not defending the lies that we are bringing out. your Allah will definitely punish you for not defending the lies that we are bringing out. Adentina uba yen ufrisa asema ye kan eya atro. Wumba na umbe defend the Quran no. Na ujina platform so etre nsem hunu. Wo ye kremoni. Me say there be a medru bia ye twa atro afa me nananom so mu bia no. I will defend it. Me ye call. Na me defend it because I know say the all can a yatra meba be prove wrong. And no na ye me esom a me nso me di akire. Because I say no ya dia tum mo say ye som ya dia tum ye ni ngu say ye be frɛ ne som ya dia tum ye nananom som no ne ye nsom enti sa me beto say u di atro dia fa ho a meba be defend it. Enti sa u ba na say me kan sem bi dia to Allah komsheni Muhammad Quran any NG Gabriel so na ente sa the best thing you will do ni say obeba na what be disprove me then nipa 8 program ni nyina will see say no sankofa you are a liar but want to me am yes sir comment na obetre yes say you allow or punish us say ye no ye di atro eton krebo so hey bra ye ni atro Mama 4 continuously your friend say 4 chapters Surah 11 Surah 15 Surah 51 and Surah 29 sa ayat we say no nyina no ka asem baako omu nyina no obi aka different things there ene na wala ebusiafo me de obesia na da foforo ye besa ahia me say opese the contradictions in the Quran. Go to my YouTube page. My part 1, my part 2, my part 3, I part 4. Ninyina ewo ho kone kotie na ube hunu the contradictions. According to Quran Surah 4 ayat number 82, was say book no every one Allah nchaya enka ye be hunu contradictions bebre ewo book nim. Enti Quran wa gini hutumi say contradictions ewom na enkremofo no yenuanom enkremofo no wo mutu no ninti ene ehunu contradiction na ye dia ba abonten no because omo say there is no a single contradiction in the Quran. Meanwhile Allah no itself no what ditum say contradictions ewo book nim na woni na ho I say please call and explain it for us why Emilia Watara enya de say obetumi don't worry yourself ofre kora na want to make kan he bro Watara after the program no me frɛ why na yedi nkomo bi why me da ase ebusia for makram why makram say yakasa bebre me hwɛ how many hours e dia kasa at least yakasa be 2 hours at least be 2 hours dia yakasa I had you. I wish I for my mamma we say, Yakasa do 2 hours. Why not? I wish I for me by a minute. Why? Yeah, almost 2 hours. Almost 2 hours. Madam Aswai, Madam Asimidim Bessia. I'm saying, ya Kremoni Biama want to me ama am a year no farmer ye. Kremofom you know about any no. Amount to me am betraying the year can difference a womb. And to Mr. I want so walk on a cooking kabi. So she Kremoni Biana no yet in danger say contradictions in Nimua. Some contradiction with Kremoni Bian wa the manner. Obet me a town water. Bakosi Sarah Sray, Bakosi Sarah soon. Bakosi aduane na abofo na anie no aduane na abofo no anie no enema ehu bo Abraham bakonso se eye nchia na wo mochia no enema ehu bo no bakosi abofo ne hye Abraham nkom se wo bewo Isaac bakonso se enkom hye no nya Abraham ne hye no na emom eye ne yere Sela think twice na adwene ne nya adwuma ayesa obodi no ebevere saa Medamasi, makramo, wine, medamasi, bye bye.